Morning, look at this. 2013 Triumph America, 900cc. I don't know if that's considered oil cooled or not. It's got a big oil cooler on it. I believe it's fuel injected, even though it looks like it says Keenan, looks like they're Keenan carburetors, but I believe it's fuel injected. It's got a 5-speed gearbox, chain final drive. I've been driving around a little bit. It's absolutely smooth. Very, very low end torque, very smooth to ride around. Handles like a dream around town. I love these floorboards, these giant floorboards. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get those on my Honda Shadow. Single disc on the front, single disc on the back. I got to tell you, these brakes are just fabulous. They're very a lot of feel. I don't know if Triumphs are known for that or not, but I will tell you that I love the brakes on this bike. So this bike has a name right there, Cursed. It's been in several accidents right there, at least 6. If you look at it closely, there's some dings. Some gal dumped it right here and crushed that in with her boob. Little ding there. Headlights got a smash mark here. The fender's been flipped around. It was damaged on this is actually the front of the fender here. Some scratches, but this bike, it's a working bike. He lets people borrow it for driver's license tests and things like that. His main motorcycle is an absolutely gorgeous triple, one of those sideways triples. The great big ones, 2300, 2500cc, whatever they are. But anyway, I've got to spend a little time with this thing, and I've just absolutely loved it. Thought y'all might like to see it. Beautiful, beautiful piece of machinery. I think he got this at Baxter's Cycle in Marnie, Iowa. I know that's where his other one was from. They have a beautiful selection of motorcycles, a great selection of motorcycles there. Very classic cruiser style. Rides very much like my Honda does. Very comfortable. I bet you could drive this thing. I can drive my Honda 500-600 miles in a day and be comfortable at the end of the day. I'm sure this is the same way. Maybe even better, who knows. But, anyway, absolutely filthy, but absolutely gorgeous motorcycle. I love the retro styling. It looks old, like a classic Triumph, but yet it also has a very, it looks a lot like a cruiser bike. The fuel injection is really well done. Looks like a pair of carburetors. I had to look several times. The parallel twin with large chrome cases and dual chrome exhaust. It's awesome. Inverted front fork system is unique, but looks classic. Really well done. And again, the brakes on this bike, absolutely fabulous. Thing handles great, brakes great, beautiful motorcycle.